Hi, and welcome to another Tech Glue session where you solidify your learning. When you are starting web app development as a beginner that have learned all the fundamentals, there are some things that you have to pay attention to, and they will go a long way to help you as you proceed to the development world. Frameworks change, but these fundamentals transfer everywhere. It is important for you to learn the fundamentals because frameworks, they do change. They update documents. Let's say you learned React or you learned Vue.js. The framework, they change because they update this document from time to time. But the knowledge and understanding of the fundamentals and the logic, they are the ones that remain because they don't change. It's the same concept, the same ideology that all these frameworks are building on. So it is important for you to know the fundamental. When you are a beginner starting web app development, regardless of whether you choose React, Vue.js, Angular, the Django, Rails, Laravel, it doesn't matter. Even if you are using AI, it does not really matter. There are core areas that you should consciously focus on as a beginner. The first one is HTML. This is quite interesting, right? When we started the training for the people, and we employed one of our instructors to be taking HTML training, there was one comment, I'll look for it if I can find it, that somebody dropped under his video, like, this brother is teaching HTML as if his life depends on it. Yes, you should learn HTML as if your life depends on it. A week, 2 weeks, you should be fine. Really, it's not something that you should spend 3 months on. But those 2 weeks or 1 week, depending on how available you are, you should learn it as if your life depends on it. Any website that you're going to see, let's check our website. So for instance, look at our website. If peradventure you are going to build anything like this, whether it is a website or an app, web app, you have to know HTML. Look at it. The logo is right there on this side. Join next cohort is on this side. The home, the services, about us, contact us, they are right there in the middle. You have to know how the people that developed this, how they were thinking when they did it. So if you don't know HTML, you will not be able to relate. Even if AI or ChatGPT or Lovable or Cursor built this for you, how will you explain it? So it is important as a beginner for you to pay attention to HTML. HTML is very, very important. It is the baseline. It is the fundamentals of how app, website, anything you want to talk about, name it. You need the knowledge of HTML because you will still be using all the tags, elements, all the, you'll be using them as you build applications, whether it's web-based application or phone application, you will need the knowledge. You need the semantics. You need to know what header is. You need to know what a nav bar is. You need to know the main. What are we doing with main? What does it mean? If you are not a learner, if you are not one of our students, and you have never been exposed to training, you are blank. You don't know what main is. You don't know what section, what they do. You don't know what footer does. So you just have to learn it so that when people are talking, when you are using AI, eventually you will know what AI is doing for you. And when you have a bug or you have an error in your code, you'll be able to correct it with your own knowledge. Very, very important. You have to know what forms and inputs, what they are, because forms and inputs are very, very important. When you want to register, when you log in into your Facebook and it's asking you, enter your email address, enter your phone number. It's only when you have the knowledge that you will understand that, oh, this is an input. Wow, this is a form. Oh, if you don't know it, you wouldn't be able to relate. You don't know what I'm talking about, do you? But if you know, if you are knowledgeable, you will understand. When you get on some platforms, you see them differently. You start understanding, wow. So when I log into Facebook and it's asking for this, it's authentication. Wow. But if you don't learn, how will you know? Now, accessibility basics, labels, alternatives, area, like if you are uploading pictures, images, videos, and all that, you have to be knowledgeable. Very, very important. And that's the fundamental to anything you want to build. Anything. Whether you are using your own brain or you are using AI, this knowledge is fundamental. Follow, like, and subscribe. Share to your fellow learners. Join us, follow us. And if you need personal one-on-one training, don't hesitate to reach out in our comment section. See you in another one. Tech glue, tech glue, tech glue, tech glue, tech glue. So join us as Tech Israel and follow this my session, which is the tech glue, gluing everything together. Let's glue. Let's glue it. Let's glue it.